Are you trying for Insta verification? Hold on. We are introducing the ultimate solution to unlock the blue tick. With our proven method, from this to this, you can join the rank of influencers. Open the Instagram application, click on the search icon. Now tap on the search bar and search for any verified celebrity. Click on the three dots and copy the profile URL. Now click on the profile button. Click on the three lines. Now click on setting and privacy and search for verification. Click on request verification. Now you have to fill this form. Write your full name here. Now select the document type such as NIC. Scroll down, click on category and select the category of your profile. Mention your country. Now scroll down and click on link type. Click on social media. Click on URL and paste the link which we copied before. Same with the third one. And same with the first one. Select the type and paste the URL. Now simply just scroll down and click on submit. Get recognized, boost your online presence and unlock exciting opportunities. And in 30 days, you will get a response and your account will be verified. So get verified, get noticed and try this for Insta verification. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video, leave a compliment or a suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to follow our content. Bye.